Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make FB font bigger on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app. Once in the app, depending on the model iPhone you have, you're either going to swipe down from the top right hand corner or you're going to swipe up. Once in the control panel, you're going to tap on the capital and common A in the bottom right hand corner. You're going to press down on it and you will see this option, and you're going to select Facebook only, and as you can see it is at default 100%, and you're going to tap on the icon to increase it. So let's say I increase it to 135%. Now if I should go back into Facebook, you can see that the font size has increased. And if you would like it to get even bigger, you can do that again by simply accessing the control panel, tapping on the two A's, and you can tap going up to 310%. And if I should go back into Facebook, you can see the changes right there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to increase font size or how to make font bigger on Facebook on your iPhone.